Yes, man. And then you want to fuck woman and no broke quick. You see, just get one corn grain. I want nutmeg. And put it in your mouth. And while you are fuck, you have your tongue and wheel it in your mouth and wheel it from corner to corner.
If we have a matic for wave to look in and make profit, we have a license plate of why ramp on our friend for busting.
Big up PJable TV. Big up PJable TV.
In a some relationship, you have a woman, we criticize the man, say a 1 minute man and him think small, or a man will criticize the woman, say woman think too big, that's why he can't please her. I break down that for me.
There's a lot of relationship have to pull up just to pussy and cocky, right? Money all right, clothes all right, food all right, but when it comes on the bed purpose now, me live into a home where anytime the man I fuck the woman at night, but there the landlord is a woman and she live near the room there. And the breeder blowing and groaning where the landlord woman hear the woman hand in the night. When the man gone to work, the landlord call her and say, listen, you not left him. You not left him. Then the breeder bawling when me hear you depend. Eh? So look now. Them claim say the woman have a shallow home and the man hood long. And when he press the home and we trafe it and blister it, you know. But just to the woman so comfortable with him, she everything all right. But it's only when then she go to bed. And just so she no want to let him long, she a muscle up and a put up with the pain. Just to stay. And she keep until I say, you don't miss a lip. And I sudden get cancer. Because anytime they would too long, one thing don't know them, we then call it gritty. When you hood now brush, pan, that our home, you know. Our home, you know, and if you would now brush the home, you see she start to wind up just for you would brush the home. And it's sweeter more. She fire quicker. But you see if the hood too long and press the home too much, it will shave it. So that's why we have to look with size. And you have some woman we feed them home. They way upper than chest, right? So the little short hood can't go up there to touch it, right? When the tears she wind up, you can't touch it. And she will go back, go silent and say, boy, you can't please me, my brethren. And so in relationship, sir, and we have to look with size. If you just jump, so it will cause problem. Because you have some woman who can't manage langwood. And you have some woman where you team one. Because me go club, go sell at night time. And you have some girl in there who sell pussy. And when you grow in the corner, you go fuck some man. And the hood when see man real out. He must say, hold on, the man, hold on, me soon come, me go for my bread, me go for my friend, you know. You understand? You know, you have some girl in there who can manage the big hood, you know, not a man. Seeing, and when time, then see them, they hustling, then go call she. Seeing, and she can manage it. But you have to look your size there, sir. So if anybody have that the problem there, tell the person plain, say, listen, hood long, hood short, hood fat, hood slim. I see him where pussy stay. You have some woman where some little passage in a man. You can't take all them out no, you know. Seeing some little passage, then passage no big. And you have some, Lord have mercy, God. When them have pick the man, him just push out it so easy. And some, him ball to rascal, you can't stay a couple years my ball, and some of them, and side them off a cut and take it. And when they cut one side and take one, if you go back go breed again, then cut the next side and take the other one. And if you go back go breed again, then we cut the middle. And only 3 picnic him can have. If he ever try breed again, then saying we dead because them have to go cut back the whole cut them, right?
That's true.
Yes. So some woman passes very little, not even the baby head. In can push out a rascal if them have to make case and operate on her. You understand?
So what about if a woman call a man a 1 minute man?
Depends, you know. You see what happens if the man is a man where fuck often. He now go up that stay, you know. You see, you can't get up a fuck often because you see you will run out of stamina, you know. Anyhow, you can stay all 1-3 weeks. Even a month then, and no fuck none at all. You see, when you broke the first time, you hold one dead, you know. You hold one dead. Yes, you will hope saying we are, and you can go back for the second one without come out and push, you know. You understand? But anyhow, you is a man with fuck often. You're not going to have that stay. You see what I mean? Yes, man. Mm-hmm. And anyhow you want to fuck woman and no broke quick. You see, just get one corn grain. I want nutmeg and put it in your mouth. And while you are fuck, you have your tongue and wheel it in your mouth and wheel it from corner to corner.
Well, Peter, get a corn grain and a nutmeg. Yes. I'm putting in your mouth and while you are fuck, you reel it with your tongue from corner to corner and rest all your teeth on it sometime. And you understand? You must say, me rascal. That make it stay long. Me rascal, the woman has said, but Jesus, God, it look like you were high up to come kill me, man. You know, stop. Right? The blood nah coming up. What about the man who use stone, though?
Rascal, master, the stone, hackle your wood root. Hackle your wood root, that's after a time. The wood get worthless, right?
And dead.
Yes, and dead. If you don't get the stone, it nah come up, right? So when you use them, there's something there. They hackle the wood root too much and make the wood get weak out. Yes, sir. Right? So a man to fuck natural, right? You see, the thing with if you want to grind the woman bad again and all and something there without broke quick, right? You find say no, you take one little drink of rum. Take one little drink of rum. The rum will cocaine up your body and make the broke coming out. You go rascal. Hey, you see if you ever drink rum and go fuck woman, master, you have to give her the rum to you know. If him we take a drink of rum, you give him a rum too. I best fuck you ever get, boy. Because in blood, Jesus, God, me saying blood get hot. The rum heat up in rum, in cock up in foot some blood clot. Him saying fling some wine just to in blood get hot. And you go hand it to. When you done to ras the bed mattress soak of water to ras clot. Because we no take long for broken house, sir. Check out that if you go drink the rum and go find the woman and the woman never drink it. He might warn you, say, no, go drink the rum and come up on me, now. You hear me I tell you? Right. She has to handle it too.
You have some man prefer the woman shave and some man prefer the woman bushy. Which one you feel more attractive?
Well, I mean that till say when he pussy have the hair, you know, it more attractive, you know, it turn you on more, you know. You say, yes, you have a kicks after that pussy more. When you have any hair, you know, man, rotted, man, it turn your on more, man. But what happened? The hair will go down in the pussy when you are fuck and bust up your hooded, you know.
Cut you up
your hooded. Yes, and cut you up like razor to rascal around your head, you know. So that's why most women shave it because why the man don't fucking would mash up. When you shave the pussy, you get a sweeter fuck. So if you want a good fuck, you see, out a woman, making allow you to do anything where you want to beside don't sucking pussy no, but you what you don't know, right? Shave the pussy. And when you shave the pussy now, you put her fillet down cross way, a bed, and drop in foot them a ground. And put a pillar hand in bottom now. And then if you have a belt, one broad belt, you kind of dry it like a tightish round in belly. That the pussy bulge down in no man. See? Yeah, because when he lay down, the tripe gone up in his chest, you know. And the pussy gone down now, a hole down now, tunnel like. So you see when you draw the belt down, right hand waist there, then the tripe stay down there now, and the pussy bulge to rush, man. When you push your foot, it go to root to rush, clot, it's sweet, it's sweet. We say,